We're at ICM today. This is the initial start of how to build a PC board shop. We've got a bunch of equipment coming in today. We've got a total of 21 containers. This is the space allocated for the board shop. So we're going to be showing you a little bit of the equipment coming in from overseas, being installed from UCE. We've got two teams here. This is a cooperative effort with ETI, Viking Test, and UCE. We have a big plating line going in, and we have 5 wet process lines. So we're really excited to start the project. Today is day 1. So we got roughly 6 weeks of this to film, and we'll be showing you progress as it goes on from day to day. But I'll give you a quick tour of the factory. Take the camera. So this is all the waste treatment. As you can see, the floors are empty. And we're ready to go here. And here is our first container load coming in with the plating line first, which is the VCP vertical plating line system. So we're really excited to get going on the project. I know it's going to be successful. And there's our first container right here, one of 21 containers coming in. Here's our install team getting ready, and we're going to start installing pretty quick. So we'll update you as it goes. We've been unloading containers all day today. This is all the material handling equipment. This is the WTech stuff that we, World Tech, sorry. The loaders and unloaders and all the pallet racking and all that stuff for the loaders. Material handling carts. We've already started the installation of the plating line. We're laying down the floor all day today. This is the cut sheet laminator without the covers on, so that was put in place today as well. These are all the stuff that came in today via China. These are some really nice loaders and unloaders. Got quite a few of them. Every wet process line has one to minimize handling, both loading and unloading. They work quite well. These are the racks. These kind of just slide in here like this, and they lock into place just like that. And there's a brake on them. So everything comes in these L-shaped material handling systems. So those go on to the roller conveyors, and the machine grabs it from there, goes in and starts loading the machine, and that's how basically how it works. Comes with all these carts. These are for different heights. So I just want to take a few minutes and go over the World Tech loaders and unloaders that we have here at ICM that they have purchased. And I think that's about it for today. On to day 3, we got 4 more containers coming in tomorrow for the next 4 or 5 days. And this is their backup system. It's an ETI rebuilt cut laminator. May have seen that on my shipping schedule on my last shipping from ETI on LinkedIn. Really nice laminator. So we'll be putting all the covers back on this machine and getting it ready for production pretty soon. All right, I think that's going to be it for today. So this is the initial laydown of the floor for the plating area that we're working on right now. Rest of the machines are coming in tomorrow. That's what we got in so far. And by today the floor will be laid and another 4 containers will be in tomorrow, so we'll start building the plating line from this end up. This is the VCP vertical plating line. Next week all the wet process equipment will be coming in, so this is going to be the area we'll be utilizing for the shadow line, the DES line. There's a chemical clean line going in the following week. So this is about a 6-week project. So I'll be doing videos all along as the progress is made on the whole shop, and you can see what it looks like. Alright, that's it for now. Hopefully better pictures tomorrow with some equipment in place. So this is day 4 at ICM. So we've unloaded about 10 containers so far, and mostly the VCP. All the wet process stuff is going to be coming in Thursday, Friday. So we've been at it for about a week and a half right now, and the plating line is starting to come together. So this is all the open space. This is where the OSP, the shadow, and the DES line is going to end up going right here. But I'll shoot you. Let me borrow it. So here's kind of a rough idea of what we got done in about a week and a half. You can see everybody's busy installing the plating line. I think on my last video you saw just the flooring down. So basically we have all the rectification up in the VCP. So these are all the parts going together on the VCP plating line and so forth. Everybody's busy installing. That's kind of an overview. This is actually part of the VCP line when the boards come off the robotic end here. It feeds them into the machine, and that's your final clean, rinse, dry, and then we stack on the unloaders, which I showed you a little before. But this is actually a Mitsubishi, arm, if you will, that comes back and loads them onto the machine automatically. So in theory, the theory behind this is you should probably only have one person running this VCP line, because it really is automatic load, automatic unload, and basically what we're doing is monitoring, the plating and so forth, which is all computerized, which is kind of nice. So, that computer also has, obviously recipe menus and so forth. So, barcoding capabilities, all that. So this is a U-shaped line. We U-shaped it in the end because we didn't have any enough space allocated in this area. So both the lines are U-shaped on the end. I can kind of show you that so you can get a feel for it. So basically we're turning a corner. Here's your plating cells. You're coming around this direction, and we're making a corner, and we're going into some more rinses here. So that's the great thing about the VCP lines also. This is a single track line, but you can also get a double track. So that means you have 2 rolls of panels going through for more capacity. Or a single, this is 500 panel a day, so this is more than sufficient for a single pass line. And then, here's our unload section here. And again, this will be, this is our loading section that will work in conjunction with the loaders, unloaders I already showed you. And again, there's a robotic arm here, Mitsubishi arm, that comes up and feeds the panels into the VCP section. Again, all automatic load. This particular line has Dutch pulse reverse pulse plate rectifiers. It's actually almost a whole room just of rectifiers. It's built into the line with all air conditioning and all that. It's one of the reasons why the line is kind of big. But I'll just walk the whole line coming through this way. You can see everybody, got a team of guys here. Here's the catwalks going up. Here's that the U shape, as I mentioned before. That's the corner. That's going to be the rectifier room that's fully enclosed and air conditioned as well to keep the rectifiers cool and so forth. And it's quite an impressive line. As you can see, everything is stainless steel. Everything is stainless steel on this line. There's no steel whatsoever on this system. And I'm sure you've seen old plating systems that are just completely rusted out with the I-beams and so forth. But not every single, superstructure on this is all stainless. So that's about it. In a couple days, I hope to have another video for you, and we're going to be showing you the install of the first line that's going in is the OSP down in that corner. The DES will be going here, and then there's a shadow line going over here, and then of course there's a clean line that will feed out of the dry film area as well. So that's it for now, and I'll keep you updated as we go. But as you can see from the video number 1, how much progress is made in just a week and a half. And everybody's been working pretty hard here to get this project underway. So we figure about a 6-week install. We're on week 2 right now. So that's it for ETI. Thanks for watching, and we'll keep you informed as we go.